Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gui, for those who don't know me. Today I've decided to start a little project on my bike. I want to refresh it for 2019 season, and we're gonna be doing a color scheme change. So first we're gonna start removing all the stickers that we have here. Those are stickers as well, like wrapped around all those bits and pieces here, the tail section, all the wrapping around here, everything. So this is gonna be for today in order to get all the fairings off the bike. But first, remove everything, leave the bike in pure black, then we're gonna go from there, okay? Cool, first part finished. So I had to remove the windshield in order to access those bolts here and remove the vinyl from there. So the bike is fully exposed. I'm not gonna have it black anymore. You can see the damage here. The tank, this is the original tank that I had an accident, so I had Pretty nice character to it. This sticker is gonna stay because it's my friend's team, and they helped me a lot, so this will stay. And I'm not gonna paint the tank. My idea is to have the bike like pearl white, like this color kind of match, and why not? So here, no more stickers. I have to go through this, but I will take the fairings off anyway to sand it and prep. Belly pan, no stickers, clean. Tail, clean. Yeah, there you go. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is the first part of my 2019 bike refresh. So I'm gonna get a new color scheme, start this year fresh and clean, and hope to achieve better results this time. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this, and as soon as I get this bike back, I'm gonna hit the track. This bike, when it's finished, is gonna be on showroom at Automania, so check it out. Those guys are pretty cool. Cheers!